this woman, si Sara Duterte, is by far the worst vice president the Philippines has ever had. Bar none. Tignan mo yung ugali. I don't care if she's a lawyer. Sa ugali lang, my God, if you are angry with the government, this is not how you air out your sentiments in public. Hindi ganun. Pwede mo sabihin, yeah, she's upset. She needs to express her emotions. But this is not how you do it. You are the second highest official in the land. You have to find a better way to do it. You are held to a higher standard because you are the second highest official. Pag may nangyari sa presidente, ikaw ang susunod. And just because your father got away with it for 6 years doesn't mean that you get to do it too. Diba, your children are supposed to be a better version of yourself. You should be a better version of your father. Mas malala ka pa sa tatay mo. Hindi ka ba nahihiya dun? Mas okay lang ang itsura mo sa tatay mo. But my God, you are worse than him. Grabe. Tignan mo yung mga sinasabi niya. Yung kay FPRRD, when he talked about killing people, you know, he could get away with, oh, it's hyperbole. But this time, when she says, oh my God, you know, yung contract killing, I talked to somebody that if something happened to me, ipapapatay si President Marcos, si F. Elisa, and the Speaker of the House. No joke, no joke. That is not hyperbole. And then, you know, itong mga, I'm sorry, there's no other word for it, stupid DDS are trying to defend her by saying, oh, it's conditional. Eh, paano kung napapilok yan? Paano kung na-aksidente yan? Paano kung nalason yan, na food poisoning at namatay yan? What if she dies by anything else other than somebody killed her? What if by accident she dies? But she dies, not by the hand of anybody, and she dies. Eh, namatay siya eh. That was the condition. If I die, walang qualification na if I die by the hands of the president. Yun lang ang sinabi niya, pag namatay ako. Eh, di papatayin na si PBBM, si F. Elisa, at si Speaker. That was the condition eh. Huwag kang huminto hanggang mamatay yung tatlong yun.